An aggregated board report is created by combining multiple priority boards in your organization. This report is helpful if you have different teams prioritizing tasks across different priority boards, and you want to quickly figure out which tasks from these boards to prioritize as a company. Creating a board report is pretty simple. On the dashboard, hover over to the top right corner and click on New Report. Next, you should choose the priority boards that you want to add to a board report. We recommend that you choose priority boards with similar prioritization frameworks and that are using the same total score formula. This will help you get results that are consistent as the report uses total scores to sort tasks. You can either import top priority issues only or all the issues from the priority boards you would have chosen. Then click here to continue. And just like that, you have a board report. Unlike in priority boards, you cannot create issues or evaluate any issues in a board report. The report board has two pages, the main page and the report settings page. The main page is a report of your prioritization results presented in a table. On the table, you will find names of the issues you imported from the priority boards you chose. The issues are sorted in order of priority. Names of the priority boards the issues are from. The issues' priority rankings in their priority boards. The issues' total scores. To open an issues card, click on Details, or you can use this keyboard shortcut. On the settings page, you can edit the boards and the issues inside the board report. Just like any other priority board that's connected to a task tracker, you can enable two-way sync. Bear in mind that the priority boards that you add to a board report should be connected to the same task tracker. Everyone in the organization can access the board report, but the board report settings are only accessible to the organization's admins. You can create as many board reports as you want. On the dashboard, you can see how many priority boards are inside a particular report. To delete a board report, click here.